Picture this. A young learner sits alone, late at night, laptop screen glowing in a quiet room. She presses play, and on the screen, her favorite actor appears. The words flow effortlessly, the rhythm natural, the emotion real. And there she is, whispering along, trying to match every syllable. It seems simple, but this is the secret. This is shadowing. Tired of sounding flat or robotic when you speak English? Do people often ask you to repeat yourself, even when you know the words? What if I told you there's a ridiculously fun way to not only improve your pronunciation, but also sound incredibly natural, just like a native speaker? Today, I'm sharing a secret method that actors, language learners, and even professionals use every day. And the best part? It involves movies. Yes, the same movies you already love to watch. This one simple habit can transform your English speaking skills. Stick with me, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to speak English naturally, confidently, and with rhythm you've always wanted. Hi, I'm Sirit, and this channel is all about helping you level up your English speaking skills. If that's something you want, hit subscribe so you never miss tips like this. Before we get into the how, let's talk about the what. What is shadowing? Imagine watching your favorite movie scene, a Marvel fight, a romantic dialogue, a motivational speech, and you repeat every line exactly as the actor says it, matching their timing, emotion, and tone. You're not reading subtitles. You're not just listening. You're actively copying the sounds, the rhythm, and even the pauses. For those few seconds, you become the actor. Why does this work? Because language is music. Every sentence has rhythm and flow, something textbooks can't teach. Native speakers dance to that rhythm without thinking. Shadowing forces your mouth and brain to work together, training muscle memory. It's like a pianist practicing scales or a dancer rehearsing steps. Think about Tom Cruise delivering a powerful line or Emma Watson giving an emotional speech. When you copy their exact intonation, your brain picks up little details, where to stress, where to pause, how to make the sentence breathe. The more you shadow, the more natural you'll sound. But why movies? Why not just podcasts or textbooks? Because movies breathe life into language. They're full of emotion, context, and everyday phrases. When Iron Man says, "I am Iron Man," you hear pride and finality. When Elsa sings, "Let it go," you feel freedom. When a character laughs, argues, or whispers, those emotions stick in your mind. They make words memorable. Movies also teach you how people really speak, not just formal English, but real phrases like, "What's up?" or "Are you kidding me?" And honestly, it's fun. Instead of boring drills, you're playing roles, acting, feeling the scene. And when learning feels like play, you learn faster. Okay, now the practical part. Here's exactly how you can start shadowing today and see results in weeks. Step 1. Pick the right scene. Choose short clips, 30 seconds to 2 minutes max. Pick something you enjoy, favorite movie, Netflix series, or YouTube video. Emotional or conversational scenes work best. Why short? Your brain learns better in chunks. A small scene can be practiced multiple times until it sticks. Step 2. Listen first, without speaking. Play the scene 2 to 3 times. Focus on the actor's tone, stress, and pauses. Notice facial expressions and emotions. Step 3. Shadow without the script. Now play it again and speak at the same time. Don't stop, even if you miss words. Goal: flow and rhythm, not perfection. Step 4. Shadow with subtitles. Watch again with subtitles. Match each word exactly. Correct pronunciation and refine accuracy. Step 5. Record and compare. Record yourself on your phone or laptop. Play both versions, yours and the original. Ask, does my tone match? Speed natural? Bonus tip: do this daily for just 10 to 15 minutes. In 30 days, your pronunciation and confidence will skyrocket. Shadowing doesn't just change how you speak, it changes how you feel about speaking. I've seen shy learners become confident. One friend could barely pronounce half the words. After shadowing Marvel movie scenes for 3 months, his friends thought he had lived abroad. Another student loved Disney movies. She mimicked Frozen dialogues daily. Within weeks, her pronunciation was crisp and her speaking confidence exploded. Why? Because your brain loves patterns. The more you repeat, the more automatic it becomes. You stop thinking about grammar and you start feeling the language. That's when you truly sound authentic. In The Intern, there's a calm and conversational interview scene. It's perfect for practicing pauses, natural intonation, and polite phrases. Let's break it down. Hello.
Hi. I'm Ben Whitaker. I received an email about an interview for the senior intern program.
Hey Ben, how's it going?
It's going good. Real good. Thank you.
Excellent. Take a seat around the corner and someone from talent acquisition will come get you.
Thank you.
There's going to be a couple of interviews today, Ben. We want to make sure that we both find the right fit. Business as usual is not really our motto. So, we hope you have some fun here. This is the first time we're hiring senior interns. Some of our intern questions may not exactly fit your profile, but we're going to go for it anyway.
Okay, fire away.
Where'd you go to school?
I went to Northwestern.
Hey, my brother went to Northwestern.
Probably not at the same time.
Probably not. He graduated in 2009.
Class of 65.
Wow. What was your major? Do you remember? And after Northwestern, you went on to?
I went to work for Dex One.
Okay. And they made?
Phone books. I was in charge of overseeing the printing of the physical phone book. I did that for over 20 years. And before that, I was a VP of Sales and Advertising.
So, do they still make phone books? I mean, doesn't everyone just Google numbers?
I believe they do, but before Google, that was how you got it.
Oh no, I get it. So 40 years at the phone book company. That is amazing. Seriously. Okay, Benjamin. Now I'm going to ask you one of our more telling questions for all of our interns. This is the one to really think about. Where do you see yourself in 10 years?
When I'm 80. Yeah, sure.
Wait, did not realize you were 70. That question just doesn't work for you, does it? Should we just scratch that one and move on?
It's your call, Justin.
Okay, that one's gone. You look great, by the way. And you're clearly more than qualified for this job. You're actually way overqualified. We were so impressed. You had great interviews, great video. You nailed it, Ben. Congrats. You're an intern.
So, here I am applying to be one of your interns because the more I think about this idea, the more tremendous I think it is. I love the idea of having a place I can go every day. I want the connection, the excitement. I want to be challenged. And I guess I might even want to be needed. The tech stuff might take a bit to figure out. I had to call my 9-year-old grandson just to find out what a USB connector was. But I'll get there. I'm eager to learn. Also, I want you to know I've been a company man all my life. I'm loyal. I'm trustworthy. And I'm good in a crisis. And I love that you're right here in Brooklyn. I've lived here all my life, and lately I feel I may not be hip enough to live in Brooklyn. So, this could help with that, too. I read once musicians don't retire. They stop when there's no more music in them. Well, I still have music in me. Absolutely positive about that.
So here's your challenge. Pick one movie scene today. Just one. Watch it 3 times. Listen carefully. Then speak. Copy every sound, every pause. Record yourself. Do this every day for 7 days and tell me in the comments how you feel. Will you make mistakes? Yes. Will you feel silly? Maybe. But something incredible will happen. Your voice will change, your sentences will breathe, and people will notice. English isn't just grammar, it's rhythm, tone, and courage. And all you need to begin is a scene you love. If this video inspired you, like it, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more language tips. And tell me, what movie will you shadow first? Maybe I'll pick your favorite for the next video.